Declaration for restoration of the body. Lord, you are my health and strength. Because I live in your presence, like Moses, my eyesight is better than 20/20, and the strength of my youth remains. As Caleb, I am strong and mobile, as in my youth, for you lengthen my days. By the Lord, my days shall be multiplied, and the years of my life shall be increased. With long life will he satisfy me and show me his salvation. The Lord satisfies my mouth with good things, so that my youth is renewed like the eagles. Lord, with my heart I keep your commandments. They give me length of days, long life and peace. They add to me. Your wisdom gives me length of days, riches and honor. The fear of the Lord prolongs my days. The very hairs of my head are all numbered. Growing abundantly and completely restored. For the law of the Spirit of life in Christ Jesus has made me free from the law of sin and death. I am planted in the house of the Lord, and I flourish in the courts of my God. I shall still bring forth fruit in old age. I am vigorous and flourishing. That is the declaration of the restoration of the body.